If you have this problem, it's because you're missing the holes in the back. You put the holes to the front, these holes here, the pins, you got them in the holes, but the back is sitting on top of the hooks. So you have to lift up the front, hold your slider so that it goes in tight, then it drops. So then when you close it, it comes flush. It's perfect this way. And then all you have to do is put the 2 screws in the bottom here to keep it from lifting, which are these screws. So they go into the hole. I'm going to find the hole first. Don't put it too tight, and just your problem is fixed.